Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with a new video, but this one is something a bit different when it comes to the parts. So clearly I have my clients hair parts in boxes. I haven't done messy or butterfly locks in box before. I always do free parts, and free part was like the fastest to me, but I'm not gonna lie to you, I think I still finish in about the same time. This is for those people asking me if they have to do box or the free parts, or asking me what part saves more time. I'm not gonna lie, the free part saves more time, but this one was not as bad. Maybe the free part might save you like 30 minutes, but it's not a big deal. If you're really fast with wrapping, you'll be fine. If you're really slow with like parts in the hair, then they'll just like make up for each other. So for this one, I have about 48 or 45 locks counts. So I realized that for the free parts, I end up parting more than I needed, but I still finished on time though. The parting just take like lesser time, but I end up like parting more than I needed. Maybe that's the reason why I finished in about the same time, because for this one I have less locks count and more locks count for the free part. But anywho, for this style, it's going to be distress locks and like a butterfly locks, like a mix up. It's something like that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's been really hard. I feel like doing distress locks is just a bit harder because, for the distress locks, I take out a lot more like thicker loop. For the butterfly one, you want it to be curly-ish, so you want the curls to pop, like not like pop, but you want it like, instead of taking out like a thicker loop, you want to take like a really skinny one. So I've been struggling with that. So sometimes I will start with butterfly locks. Now that's butterfly locks, sometimes when I start with them, I end up like finishing with like distress. So it's really hard. And yeah, that's the difference. So as you can see, the curves was like really showing. So if all my locks look like that, then of course that would make sense, and maybe I will start booking that. But for right now, I'm still practicing to see how I can better my butterfly locks. But for now, I am going to stick with my distress locks that I know. So that's why I called this video like a mixture between like a distress and butterfly locks. Clearly I'm using color 1B. The hair can be found in the link in the description box, and the inches, they're 8 inches. I'm trying to see if I left anything off for you guys, like a background information. I don't really know. I think I said everything that needed to be said. And also she's doing middle parts, and I think as we go in the video, I'm going to show you how I seal the ends, take out the loop, and also like the hot water steaming method. So the back row usually like takes more time, or just doesn't look right to me, because again, I don't know, I just struggle when I start, and then I just get better as I like on my like third locks. But yeah, anywho, I think that'll be all for background information, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.